Penalties in the Law of Moses. In the Law of Moses, there are 4 corporal punishments and 19 capital punishments, death penalties. The 4 corporal punishments: 1. Lex Talionis, proportional injury. As he has caused a blemish in a person, so shall it be done to him. 2. Retributive justice, eye for eye, tooth for tooth, man for man. 3. Flogging by judicial order. The judge may sentence the guilty party to receive 40 lashes. 4. Amputation of the hand. Applied to a woman who seizes the private parts of a man while trying to end a fight between her husband and another man. The 19 capital punishments, death penalties. 1. Possession by evil spirits, sorcery. One who is possessed by a spirit or practices sorcery shall be stoned to death. Leviticus 2. False witness in a capital case. A false witness in a murder trial shall be put to death. A bride found not to be a virgin, if evidence of virginity is not found in a young woman, the men of her city shall stone her to death. 4. Adultery between 2 married persons. If a married man commits adultery with a married woman, both shall be put to death. Adultery with a relative's wife. If a man commits adultery with the wife of a close relative, both shall be put to death. Leviticus 6. Adultery with a betrothed virgin. If a virgin who is betrothed to a man commits adultery, both shall be brought outside the city and stoned to death. 7. Rape in the open country. If a man assaults a young woman in the field, and she is not at fault, only the man shall be put to death. 8. Incest with father's wife. If a man lies with his father's wife, both shall be put to death. 9. Incest with one's daughter. If a man lies with his daughter, both shall be put to death. 10. Homosexual acts. If a man lies with another man as with a woman, it is an abomination. Both shall be put to death. 11. Marrying a woman and her mother. If a man takes both a woman and her mother as wives, it is wickedness. They shall be burned with fire. 12. Bestiality, man with animal. If a man lies with an animal, both the man and the animal shall be put to death. 13. Bestiality, woman with animal. If a woman approaches an animal to lie with it, both the woman and the animal shall be put to death. Marrying one's aunt, father's brother's wife. If a man takes his uncle's wife and exposes her nakedness, both shall die childless. 15. Marrying one's brother's wife. If a man takes his brother's wife, it is an act of exposing his brother's nakedness. Both shall die childless. 16. Murder. Whoever kills a human being shall be put to death. 17. Rebellion against parents. One who is stubborn and rebellious against his parents shall be stoned to death. 18. Cursing one's parents. Whoever curses his father or mother shall be put to death. 19. Idolatry and disobedience to religious authority. Whoever worships another god, the sun or the moon, shall be brought outside the city and put to death. Also, whoever refuses to obey the priest who serves the Lord shall be put to death. False prophecy. A prophet who presumes to speak a word in God's name that he has not commanded, or who speaks in the name of other gods, that prophet shall die. Cohesion. God sent messengers with laws that were appropriate for their time and compatible with the mindset of the people to whom they were sent. What was suitable for the people of Moses may not be suitable for those who came later, because human intellect and humanity are in continuous development. Therefore, God concluded the revelation of divine laws with the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, because the legislation he brought, commanded by God to be conveyed to all people, contains only one capital punishment, for intentional murder. Even in that case, if the family of the victim forgives the killer, there is no punishment, or they may accept financial compensation, known in Islam as Diya, blood money, so that the killer does not have to die. The Islamic legislation was revealed with mercy and forgiveness, making it suitable for all times until the Day of Judgment.